Hello friends. Imagine you're cruising down the road when suddenly your car starts running rough, losing power or even stalling. You scan the obd2 system and find code P0208, Injector Circuit Malfunction Cylinder 8. But what does it mean? Could this small code lead to serious engine trouble? Let's break it down and fix it before it gets worse. DTC P0208 means that the Engine Control Module, or ECM, has detected a problem with the fuel injector circuit for cylinder 8. This could be due to a bad injector, a wiring issue, or even a failing ECM. If ignored, it can cause misfires, poor fuel economy, and even engine damage. The location of cylinder 8 depends on your engine type. For V8 engines, usually cylinder 8 is the last cylinder on the passenger side. For V6 or inline engines, it's the 8th cylinder from the front. The fuel injector itself is mounted on the intake manifold, connected to the fuel rail and wiring harness. A faulty injector, like a clogged or failed one, can prevent fuel from reaching the cylinder. Wiring problems such as damaged, loose, or corroded wires can break the injector circuit. A bad ECM. If it isn't sending the correct signals, the injector just won't fire properly. And don't forget fuel pressure issues. A weak fuel pump or a clogged fuel filter can also cause injector circuit faults. Alright, so first, you'll want to visually inspect the wiring and connector for the cylinder 8 injector. If there's any damage, make sure to repair or replace it. Next up, step 2, grab a multimeter and check the injector's resistance. You're usually looking for a reading between 10 and 15 ohms. If it's out of that range, you'll need to replace the injector. Now step 3 is to test for proper voltage at the injector connector. If you don't see any voltage, you might be dealing with a wiring issue or something going on with the ECM. Finally, for step 4, swap the injector with another cylinder. If the code moves, that's a clear sign the injector is bad and needs to be replaced. Fixing P0208 quickly can really help prevent engine damage and keep your car running smoothly. But hey, if the issue sticks around, you might need to dig a little deeper for a full diagnosis. Want to learn about more obd2 codes? Check out these next videos: P0135, Oxygen Sensor Heater Circuit Malfunction, and P0136, O2 Sensor Circuit Malfunction for Bank 1 Sensor 2. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more car repair tips.